Here we go! Loading up! How would you describe
It's a yellow one like this.
from the depths of your being?
From the depths of my being, I would have to say I can't wait for the day stroke. Just like being in the back, just slowly turning the canoe. Like it's just gonna be glorious. I think I'm just ready to get out on the water and explore new horizons. You know, like, can't wait. Like.
Hello there. Welcome to Canoeing with Luke. That's my gang back there. We're squatting up, as I say.
How would you describe the paddle so far, Zach?
Well, that one was fairly easy yesterday. I was demonstrating excellent physique. Just my stroke was immaculate.
Oh, Zach is losing his paddle.
How would you describe the paddle so far today?
Oh, the paddle today has been majestic. It's been something that I'll never forget for as long as I live. Finn and I were just bulling our way through the water like a bull in tomatoes or something. I don't know.
Hey Josh. Sounds so annoying.
How's it, Chris?
It is fantastic. I feel like a right man.
How would you describe that, Luke?
Man, how would I describe that? I think in 2 words, soul edge. Is that how you would say it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that was really fun.
That might make it on a promo footage. We have to decide if it looks too scary for mamas.
So, Leaf, what's going on right here?
I'm trying to clean a crayfish like an idiot, but it's not working.
Okay, and where did we get this crayfish?
From the lake, found it in the water.
And what have we done to it so far?
We have parboiled it and then grilled and then deep fried it up so it's in ham oil.
So it's a pretty tasty crayfish.
Like probably. It tastes
Right.
like dirt mostly now. But like, should I just put the whole thing in my mouth? I don't really know.
Yeah.
Like,
How many just eat the whole thing.
dropped it?
It's gonna be so like.
not bad. Do I have to swallow the shell?
Yeah, you have to swallow everything. What do we have here then, Luke?
This is banana bread.
Made by
Pepe.
who's Pepe?
There's Josh's mom.
What's Josh's mum's name?
Ollie.
There we go.
We just came down there. And we decided to do that. I'm not sure who decided over the trail.
Yeah,
Mark. Leader Mark.
Wait, Luke, sorry, fill my water bottle. The main reason that I wanted to get out. Hold it! Oh God!
Luke, can you fill my water bottle?
Yeah, hurry up!
Swim out a little further.
No. I think I know what. screaming into this, have to do a very sharp right-hand turn to straighten up for the next section, and then you would raise your paddle, you would scream, and you would see what happens after that. So I have no idea, and we're not going to do it.